Oh, it's difficult to say all four of them. Okay, one's Kutti, then is Kutti, then is Khutti, and is Kurti.
What's the difference, everybody?
Well, number one, Kutti, like Kutti goes with this expression is when kids fall out with each other and one says, I'm gonna do an act of Kutti with you. That means I'm falling out with you, I'm not gonna speak to you anymore. This is a kiddish thing. Kutti is just calling somebody a bitch, a female dog, but has that sort of, negative connotation to it. But if you see a female dog on the street, it's Kutti. Kutti is the back part of your neck, like right here, under your hairline. So it's like where a lion would have its mane, Kutti. So that's Kutti. And Kurti is actually a dress. So there's a dress called Kutta that males wear, and females wear have a similar version of that. That's called Kurti. So Kurti, Khutti, Kutti, and Kutti are four separate words
In Urdu.
in Urdu, all in Urdu. I think Kutti probably comes more from Punjabi, but one or the same, really. So again, four separate words: Kutti, Kutti, Khutti, Kurti. And
That's your lesson for today.
yes, and all Pakistanis, Asians, Punjabis would understand that, so, or Hindi speaking. Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.